Hello people, this is a new video. It's not about a specific car, it's about some of the restorations we're doing. I don't know if you've been following us. This is a Mark 1 Zephyr 6, which we've recently acquired. It came out of a museum, it's only done like 70,000 miles. And as you can see, it's a really good, straight car. It's a little bit of work on these wings where they normally go, but it's lovely inside. I've got some visor for it. I'm going to get it all painted and it will come up for sale very soon. It's got white wall tyres. We've just got a new radiator on it. I'm having all the chrome done. That's all the bumpers, overriders, etc, etc. You can see it's a proper old thing. I think it's a 1953, so it'll be one of the earlier ones. There's not so much chrome on it. So we're doing that one. That's going to the paint shop on Monday. So that should be finished within a month to 6 weeks. But if you do want it, you can always ring up and we'll take a deposit on it. And then this is our Mark 2 Zodiac, which again was an eBay wise buy and turns out to need loads of work. So we've got a new set of seals for it. New wheel arch. The front seat is getting done as we speak. I've got a new dash top on it, which cost me a fortune. New radiator and new starter motor. Anyway, and a head gasket. So it's a double whammy on this thing, but it will be finished again probably in the next 6 to 8 weeks. Again, I've got all the bumpers done, new grille. It'll be lovely when it's done. It's going to win some shows hopefully. Also under there, we've got a Mark 1 Zodiac convertible on the verge of doing, and under here is an Oldsmobile which we're doing as well, and behind that is the inside Jag. So we've got plenty on the go at the moment. As you probably know, we do all our restorations to a high standard. The Jags, the next one in line after the Mark 1. So anyway, if you want to come down and look at them, you're more than welcome to look at them. They'll all be for sale, they're all on the website. Get them bought, reserve it now, they're proper cars.